In the dimly hall, secrets whisper in the air. A brotherhood's gather with a wicked stare. There's a discontent brewing, simmering below. It's the forbidden dish that we all know. I reckon masons in their secret chambers, plotting grand schemes with their mystery.